సో గాయ్స్ వెల్కమ్ టు అనదర్ వీడియో. ఈరోజు మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ అన్ప్లాన్డ్ జర్నీ చూద్దాం. Having won 20 guineas at the club and taken leave of his friend Phileas Fogg at 25 minutes past 7, left the Reform Club. Passepartout, who had carefully studied the program of his duty, was more than surprised to see his master guilty of appearing at the announcing hour. According to rule, he was due in Sylvie Row until previous midnight. Mr. Fogg went to his bedroom and called out Passepartout. Passepartout did not reply. It could not be he who was called. No, it was not the right hour. Passepartout repeated Mr. Fogg with raising his voice. Passepartout made his appearance. I will call you twice, observed his master. But it is not midnight, responded the other, showing his watch. I know it. I don't blame you. We started for Dover and Cassilis in 10 minutes. A puzzled grin spread over Passepartout around face. Clearly he had not understood. His master Monstrise is going to leave home. Yes, returned Phileas Fogg. We are going around the world. Passepartout opened his eyes wide, raised his eyebrows, held up his hands and seemed about the collapse. So come over was he with announcement. Around the world he murdered in 80 days, responds to Mr. Fogg. So he haven't a movement to lose. But the thugs asked Passepartout. Well, have no thugs, only a carpet bag with 2 shirts and 3 pairs of stockings for me and the same for you. I will buy our clothes on the way, bringing down my Maxtown. The travelling clock and some stout shoes. Through we shall do little walk, make haste. Passepartout tried to reply but could not. He went and fell into a chair. He muttered, "That's good. That is, and I who wanted to remain quiet." He mechanically set about making the preparation for department. Around the world in 80 days. Was his master a fool? No. Was this is a joke? Then they were going to Dover. Good to Castle. Good again. After all, Passepartout, who had been away from France 5 years, not be sorry to set foot on his native soil again. Firenze they would go as far by as Paris, and it would be to see to Paris once more. By 8 o'clock, Passepartout had packed the carpet bag connecting the garments of his master and himself. Then, till troubled, he carefully shut the door of his room and came down. Mr. Fogg was quite ready. Under his arms might have been observed the red-bound copy of Bradshaw Continental Railway Steam Transit and Journal Guide with its timetables showing the arrival and departure of steamers and railways. He took the carpet bag, opened it, and slipped into a goodly roll of currency notes. "You have forgotten nothing?" asked he. "Nothing, monstrous. My mugstone and cloak. Here they are. Good. Take this carpet bag," handing in it to Passepartout. "Take good care of it, for there are 20,000 pounds in it." Passepartout really dropped the bag as if the 20,000 pounds were in gold. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడొచ్చు 20,000 pounds అనేది. 20,000 pounds అంటే అక్కడ 25,000 guineas in gold and weighed him down. Master and man then designs the street. Door was double locked, and they took a cab which stopped before the railway station at 25 minutes past 8. Passepartout jumped off the box and followed his master, who paid the cabman and was about to enter the station. A poor beggar woman, then a child in her arms. Arms అంటే చేతులు. Her naked feet smeared with mud, her shoulders covered in a ragged slab. Upward reach and ask for alms. సో గాయ్స్ ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడొచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్టోరీ మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే నేను ఇప్పుడు ఒక వాయిస్ రికార్డ్ పెడుతున్నా. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉండండి.
Trace the path from Sanvi's house to the amusement park. Listen to directions and color each building.
Sanvi leaves her house and walks east towards the city court. She takes a right from there and heads south till she reaches Children's Park on her left. From there, she heads west towards Metro Drive and takes a left. Sanvi heads south and takes a left from the Cineplex and heads east. She passes the private property and Central School and continues east. She reaches the amusement park just after she crosses Children's Park.
సో గాయ్స్ మీరు ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు. సో ఈ రోజుకి ఇంతే. బాయ్ బాయ్.